World is changing fast, faster than most people realize. And right now, artificial intelligence isn't just a futuristic buzzword, it's the ultimate money making tool. But here's the question: will you be one of the people who uses AI to create wealth, or one of the people replaced by it? In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you step by step through 5 powerful ways to make money with AI, even if you have zero tech skills or business experience. By the time we are done, you know exactly what to do today to start building your first AI powered income stream. But before we start, I have a quick question for you. If AI helped you earn an extra $1,000 this month, what was the first thing you'd buy? Drop your answers in the comments. I'm curious. AI isn't here to take away every job. It's here to take away repetitive, boring work, the kind that eats up hours but doesn't grow your bank account. Think about it. AI can write articles, design graphics, edit videos, answer customer questions, even manage an entire online store while you sleep. The global AI industry is expected to hit $1.8 trillion by 2030, and the people who understand how to use these tools, they are getting ahead now, not in 5 years. That's why we are having this conversation, because there's no better time to jump in. Here's the roadmap we are covering today. 5 proven ways to earn money with AI. 1. Content creation. 2. AI powered e-commerce and automation. 3. Selling AI generated digital products. 4. Offering AI services to business. 5. Passive AI income stream. I'll explain each one, show you tools you can use, and give you real world examples you can copy. First up, content creation. With tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and CapCut, you can produce content that looks like it came from a full production team, but it's just you and your laptop. Here's how this works. 1. Use ChatGPT to write scripts for YouTube, TikTok, or blogs. 2. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create eye-catching images. 3. Use Runway or CapCut to edit videos in minutes instead of hours. Then, offer these services on Fiverr or Upwork, because people are charging $50 to $300 per project. And yes, you can do this even if you've never edited a video before. AI handles all the heavy lifting. Number 2, AI powered e-commerce. Imagine this: you set up an online store. AI writes product descriptions, creates the product images, answer customer questions through a chatbot, and manages inventory. Your store runs 24/7 while you're sleeping, working out, or even traveling. This is perfect for dropshipping, print on demand, or selling your own products. With tools like Shopify, ChatGPT, and AI chatbot like Theodo or ManyChat, you can automate almost everything. Third on the list, selling AI generated digital products. Now, here's the beauty of this: you create it once and it sells forever. With AI, you can design planners, ebooks, templates, stock photos, or even music tracks, then sell them on XT, Gumroad, or Amazon. For example, use ChatGPT to write a niche ebook, use Canva or Midjourney for the cover, and list it on Amazon. People have made thousands from simple guys they've never physically touched. Number 4, AI services for businesses. Most small business owners know AI is powerful, but they have no idea where to start. Now, that's where you come in. You can set up AI customer service bots, automate their social media posts, or even help them analyze sales data using AI tools. Clients will happily pay $500 to $5,000 for a setup that saves them time and boosts revenue. You're not just selling a software, you're selling results. And finally, passive AI income. This is where you set up systems that keep making money with minimal effort. Think about automated blogs that publish AI written articles daily, YouTube channels with AI generated videos, or even AI powered trading bots. You do the work once, the system runs in the background, and you just maintain it. Of course, nothing is truly set and forget, but with the right tools, you can be mostly hands off. So, how do you actually start? Now, here's your 30-day AI action plan. Week 1, pick one of these 5 methods. Week 2, learn the tools and create your first AI product or service. Week 3, publish it online and promote it. Week 4, optimize, improve, and scale. You need to know that the secret is focus. Don't try to master all 5 at once. Get good at one, start earning, then branch out. AI isn't the future, it's already here. And those who learn to use it aren't just staying relevant, they are building freedom. Now it's your turn. Start with one method, apply it for 30 days, and see the results. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button because I have deep dive tutorials on each of these coming soon. And tell me in the comments, which AI method are you starting with this month? I'll see you in my next video. Let's build your AI powered income together.